minggu berapa dah ni? The last class for August. Last class for August. So the day after tomorrow on Wednesday you will turn to bulan apa? September. Ada yang lahir bulan September? Any of you born in September? Tak ada.
I born in September.
Ui, Sulaiman. Patut nama Sulaiman. September. Sulaiman.
I born in June.
Okay. Nanti boleh sambut celebrate birthday Sulaiman lah. Buat macam Lakshiva Sulaiman. Nanti buat macam Lakshiva. Boleh? Boleh ke? Celebrate dalam kelas. Ke Sulaiman malu? Boleh.
Entah.
I think I born in August.
You think you born in August? How can you think that? Okay.
I born in August.
You think you don't know?
Okay.
I born in June.
My new cousin was born in August.
I born in
I'm
August.
born in the 10th of March.
July, August, March, banyak. Tak apa, it's okay.
Mine is May. Mine is May.
Semua nak cerita. Okay, tak apa. Alright, kelas tak apalah. Alright, so stop with the birthday date tu. Tak apa, it's okay. As long as you are safe, healthy.
My birthday is at the 10th of March.
I heard that before this is it. Okay. Alright, thank you, Arina. So today we are going to continue. Last week we did addition and subtraction kan. So today we are going to move to multiplication and division of time. So I'm going to present the screen, entire screen. Okay, ready with your textbook? Cikgu lupa dah page berapa. Sekejap, cikgu check balik.
We will learn multiplication of money
Yeah.
or division.
Nampak?
And division.
Yes.
Yeah.
Both the
Or
topic
about
today.
time.
All about time. Okay, so today kita nak cepat sebab our syllabus should be sekarang ni dah masuk measurement should be measurement sekarang.
Length, mass, and volume of liquid.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes, that one. Okay, thanks Sulaiman. Alright, so today we are going to do multiplication and division of time. Okay, one by one lah kita move to the first topic, which is multiplication of time. Okay, you can refer to your textbook page berapa? 90 berapa? 90 something what? Lupa dah.
100. I think 91.
Kan? 91, 92, 50 macam tu dah. So check. Ini Sulaiman is me. What page? What page?
I am finding the page.
Multiplication of time.
It is
Page 40.
40.
ouch. Let's see.
Betul, page 40 yang kita kat dalam.
100.
Yeah,
Part
page
2,
40.
Page 40.
40 yang jadi 2 betul.
Yeah, page
Yang
40.
tu activity book. Okay,
Page 40.
page
Activity book 101.
101. Okay, thanks Sulaiman. Page 40 kan? Page 40 Okay, so multiplication of time, you can refer to your textbook if you don't have enough. If you don't have good connection, you can just refer to your textbook. Okay, that should be with you right now, or else you can also refer to your screen. If you happen to have good strength, good internet connection, then you can just refer to your screen. If you can read from the screen, you can just read from the screen lah. Okay, so the first example. Okay, yang ni simple. The table shows the time Hilmi practice bowling in a week. So dia practice dalam table tu dia ada one day, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Dia ada 4 days only. Okay, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So each day itu they practice for 3 hours. So how many hours does Hilmi practice in 4 weeks? So 4 weeks jangan kira 4 weeks to 7 days. 4 weeks tu bukan 7 days. Dia ada 4 days only in 1 week yang Hilmi practice. So he practice on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So you just take 4 days times 4 weeks. 4 weeks maksudnya dalam 4 weeks berapa hours that he practice. So you just take 4 times 12 hours. 4 weeks times 12 hours. Kenapa 12 hours? Sebab if you total if you add all the hours for 1 week, you will get 12 hours. Jangan buat 4 times 4 pula. 4 times 4 salah lah. So kalau macam ni dia question dia apa? Confusing sikit. He wants the question would like to confuse you with this tricky part, which is the day ada 4 days je, and then hours dia 3 hours per day, bukan per week. Bukan per week. So you have to make sure to read and to study the table.
What page?
Oh, what's that?
What page?
Oh, sorry.
What page?
Page 40, I think.
Off your mic, please.
It's okay. Maybe she wants to ask something. Okay. It's okay.
What does that sound?
Don't worry. Don't ask.
It's a baby.
Mind your own business. Tak apa. Okay. Alright. Okay, ready relax semua, relax. Okay, it's okay. Never mind. 4 times 12, you just do the standard written method. Okay, 12 times 4. Okay, 12 times 4 is as usual. You just times 2 times 4. Okay, 2 times 4 dapat 8. 1 times 4, you get 4. So your answer should be 48 hours. Itu sahaja. Okay. Ada apa? Someone's outside the Google Classroom, the MOE. Apa yang baru masuk tu, welcome. Jemput datang. Okay, so total hours in 4 weeks, Hilmi practice is 48 hours. Macam tu je, simple je. Tapi kena tengok, jangan confuse dengan you don't get confused with those that info. Banyak info dibagi. Make sure to study. This kind of question is very easy actually. Memang senang. 4 times 12 takkan tak tahu kan. Tapi tricky. Dia ada masalah. Sometimes you will times 4 times 4. Nanti masalah 4 times 4 dapat 16 hours. Salah lah jawapan kamu. Okay. Thank you. Alright. So second question. Okay. Yang ni multiply 6 by 53. Maksudnya 6 darab 53 tu 6 times 53 minutes, and you should watch out for you have to be careful with the unit. Dia nak minutes, bukan dalam hours. So no need to convert. Make sure to put your answers in minutes. Okay, your answer should be in minutes. So times, just do the regular standard written method, 53 times 6. Okay, buat macam biasa je, 53 times 6 macam ni. Okay, so 3 times 6. Okay, kalau ada masalah yang nak buat bentuk lazim ataupun nak buat what we call? Keluar pula. Okay, sekejap. Kena pandang guna eraser. Aku pakai pen kalau pakai. Okay. So for those yang nak guna, yang maybe you not really good in, macam biasalah dalam CFA, dalam times table, boleh buat times table macam biasa. Don't worry. Tak ada masalah. Macam biasa. CFA 6 CFA 6. So buat 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. CFA 6 lah. 0, 0. Sampai the biggest number which is 5. Buat sampai 5 lah. Yang ni cikgu terangkan sikit-sikit lah untuk bagi ingat balik, remarks balik, buat revision sikit. Alright, so buat CP 6. Okay, 6, 12, berapa? 18, 24, 30. Okay, that's all. Then, tengoklah 3 times 6. 3 times 6, you can see 3 times 6 equals to 18. Okay, so 18. 8 bring down, and then 1 you put on top of 5. Okay, bring up. So jangan tambah lagi. Buat tambah simbol tambah buat tak apa. So 5 times 6. 5 times 6 equals to 30. 30 plus 6. 30 plus 0. 30 plus 1 equals to 31. So your answer should be 318. Okay. This is one method. This is one method. Hello, hello. Turn off your microphone, please. Okay. Except if you want to ask anything, you can turn on. Okay. And then this is the another one. Ini panggil lattice. Lattice. Bukan lettuce. Lattice method. Okay, cikgu tak sure kamu dah belajar belum. Tapi cikgu nak terang. Just explain this. Hello. Hello.
You already learned.
Okay, thank you. Alright. So in lattice method easy. Easier. This one also can be accepted as a calculation. Boleh dikira sebagai jalan kira. Okay. So if you want to do this kind of method, it's up to you. Boleh. Tapi macam mana cakap? Sometimes if not get used with this kind of method, you won't really good. You won't really. I'm afraid that you don't get the correct answer lah. Takut lah, kan? So you just do as usual lah. Okay. Cara buat bentuk lazim dia senang je. Okay, buat 6 square ni kali ikutlah nombor ada berapa. Kalau there's 2 numbers, so you have to put 2 times. Okay, maksudnya 5 dengan 3 ni. Okay, ikutlah. Ini 1 place value, 10 place value. Kalau ada 100 place value letak tepi ni lah. 100, 1000, 10,000 macam tu lah. Mak susah dalam Adam. Printer, laser, eraser, mana eraser? Okay, eraser. Okay dah. Okay, then kita buat macam biasa. Okay, then bawah times multiplication symbol ni letak 6. 6 tu yang nak darab lah. Okay, so 3 times 6 buat satu-satu dulu. 3 times 6 equals to 6, 18. So 18, 1, 8. Okay, 1, 8. Letak sini, 1, 8, 18. And then 5 times 3, 5 times 6 equals to 30. Okay, you write down 30 here. Okay, so what should you do? Alright. Lepas tu kamu kena tambah one by one. Okay, tambah. Ikut arrow macam je. Cikgu tunjuk ni. Okay. Okay, so 8. Letaklah 8. 1 plus 0. Tambah 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Yang ni jangan kira. Ni bukan ni. Bawah saja. Okay. Only this box je. Yang ada cross. Yang ada apa. Macam apa nak cakap tu. Vertical dulu. Okay. 3. Bawah. Turun 3. So nak baca dia jawapan dia. Macam tu. Arrow dia. Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. 318. So your answer should be 318. That's all. Okay. Itu lattice method. Kalau tak biasa, please use standard written method lah. Regular standard written method, normal standard written method. Kalau rasa advanced sikit, rasa nak try lattice method pun boleh. Tapi make sure to practice a lot lah. Okay, do some more practice, a lot of practice in lattice method kalau nak cuba. Okay, thank you. Alright, so number 3, 5 times 128 seconds. Okay, the answer is in second. So no need to worry, just do usual, regular standard written method. Second, bring down second. Hello? Okay, thank you. Okay, so bring down second. Ingat, unit tu letak dulu second tu. And then 8 times 5. Okay, 8 times 5. 8 times 5 equal to 40. Siapa tak tahu buat tengok sifir. Boleh buat sifir. Okay, boleh buat times table. If you don't know how to do, you do times table. So 8 times 5 equal to 40. So 40 bring down 0, bring up 4. So 0 turun bawah, 4 naik ke atas. Plus. Okay. 2 times 5. 2 times 5 equal to 10. 10 plus 4 jadi apa? 10 plus 4. Berapa? 10 plus 4?
14.
14. Okay. So bring down 4. Okay. Bawah dah 4. Okay. Bawah turunkan 4. 1 naik atas. Okay. 1 naik atas. Letak plus sign kalau tak ingat. Aku lupa. So 1 times 5 tadi dah. Kita buat 1 times 5 lah. Okay. Ingat, mesti mula daripada 1 place value. 1 dulu. Okay, mesti mula daripada 1 place value. So 1 times 5 equal to 5. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So your answer should be 640. This should be your answer lah. Make sure to put second. Tapi dah ada dah second sini kan. So you just put 640 as your answers. Okay, it's your answer. Okay, that's all for Example number 3. Number 4, 2 times 3 hours 10 minutes. Yang ni dia nak in hours and also in minutes. So you have to separate. This kind of method nak buat macam ni pun boleh, nak buat macam cikgu ajar pun boleh, tapi okay, yang method 2 ni tak payah sangatlah. Bukan tak nak guna, tak payahlah amalkan. Don't apply this kind of method. Susah nanti. Bukan tak susah. Kalau times 2 tak apalah. Conteng pula. Times 2 okey lah kan. Times 2. Cuba times 3, times 4 nak kena tambah berapa kali. Kan? So I'm not nama? So I'm not apa?
Recommend.
Hello. Recommend. Yes, thank you. I'm not recommend you to do this kind of method. Kalau times 2 acceptable lah, times 2 kan. Times 2 boleh lah tambah sekali. Okay. Times 3, times 4, times 5 nak tambah banyak kali panjang. So you just ignore this kind of method. Tak payah nak guna sangat. Okay, boleh guna. Times 2 boleh lah. Times 2. Better to do this kind of method. Minutes, bring down minutes, hours. Okay, boleh buat macam separate. Hello. Okay. Okay. Kalau boleh, buatlah separated macam tu. Kalau nak buat, if you think that this kind of method a bit confusing, you can just stick with the what we call separator tu. Kalau tak, boleh buat macam ni, stick macam ni. Minutes, bring down minute. Okay, 0 times 2, ingat, times 1 by 1. Make sure from the last digit, 0. 0 times 2 equals to 0. 1 times 2, okay. 1 times 2 equals to 2, betul? Okay, hours, bring down hours. So, okay, tak ada masalah. Okay, 3 times 2 equals to 6. So your answer should be 6 hours and 20 minutes. That's all. Senang. Okay, yang ni ada regrouping pula. Tak ada regrouping. Yang apa? Tak ada regrouping. Tak ada. Okay, yang ni senang. Tapi 36 second tak ada regrouping. Okay, senang. Okay, yang ni tak ada, simple bagi soalan. Betul lah apa contoh dia. Okay, 2 times 3. Okay, 3 times 9 minutes 12 second. Yang ni tukar tadi hours dengan minutes, sekarang minutes dengan second. So 2 times 3 6, 1 times 3 3. Ingat buat macam ni darab. 1 times 3 2 times 3, 1 times 3, 9 times 3. Okay, make sure to put the unit. Okay, so 2 times 3 equals to 6, 1 times 3 equals to 3, 9 times 3 equals to 27. So you will get 27 minutes 36 seconds. Okay, simple. Okay, alright. Now take out your activity pula. Textbook dah tak payah. Textbook kalau nak tengok textbook boleh, tak nak tengok pun tak apa. Yang ni page berapa Sulaiman? Let's try ni.
41.
41. Okay, thank you Sulaiman. Okay, and everyone. Okay, so this one on page 41, you can take your M1 or M2 if you don't have any. Take any blank paper, any empty paper, blank paper, blank book ke, conteng ke, salin. Okay, buat ni. Tapi kita buat sama-sama. Okay, we try to do a few. Okay, try to do some of them. Lepas tu cikgu suruh kamu buat sendirilah. I'm gonna skip one by one lah. Sikit-sikit je cikgu bagi, simple lah. Okay, so we start with the question A. Question A cikgu bagi simple. Okay, second tulis second. Second. Okay, 0 times 7 equals to 7. 0 times 7. Okay, ingat. 0 times 7 dulu. 0. 6 times 7 equals to berapa? 36, 40. 42. Okay, good. So your answer should be 420 seconds. Okay, this is easy. Okay, buat bentuk lazim. Yang ada. Okay, try C pula. Kita skip kita buat A, B, yang tu kamu buat sendiri nanti buat sendiri. Tapi cikgu nak explain ni, cikgu skip sikit-sikit lah. Cikgu ambil yang mana yang cikgu rasa mudah je. Mudah. Yang mana yang will help you a lot. Okay, 3 times 8. 3 times 8 berapa? Siapa tahu? 3 times 8. Okay, nak buat betul lazim, nak buat times table pun boleh. Boleh buat times table, it's up to you. Kalau nak buat sifil 8, it's up to you. Kalau tak nak buat, if you already memorize all of this, then you can just
24.
Okay, betul 24. Okay, ingat 24 You have to bring down 4, only 4 here, and then 2 bring up here. Okay.
Kena tulis dalam M1 lah.
Yes, M1. Kalau ada M1, M1. If you don't have M1, use M2.
until I, sir.
A until I. Okay.
Teacher,
Alright.
do you have to like write this in the exercise book?
No exercise. This is in your textbook. You have to do this in your exercise book. Betul, exercise book M1. Atau activity book. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to continue the lesson. Hurry up.
Teacher,
Yes.
can we use M2 too?
If you don't have M1, you can use M2.
What page?
Okay.
41. Textbook, part 2. Okay, thank you. Turn off your microphone, please. Make sure to hit the okay, mute button tu. Hit the mute button. Okay, thanks. Ada siapa masuk? Raise up your hand apa? Tak ada. Okay, thanks. Okay, so 2 times 8 equals to berapa? 16. Okay, 16 plus 2. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 2 berarti 18. Betul lah? Okay, so your answer should be, for C, your answer should be 184 hours. Hello? Dah. Off dah, thanks. Okay, so your answer should be 184 hours. Okay, kita skip. Kita tengok E. Okay, E. Okay, yang ni tulis second. Yang ni tulis minute.
Teacher, are we supposed to write from A to I or only?
Yes, you have to do all. Do all. Page 41 in M1. Okay, thanks. Alright, so you have to continue. Okay, we have to continue lesson. Cepat sikit, nanti tak sempat masuk division pula. Okay, second dah bring down second, bring down minutes. Okay, 0 times 4 equals to 0, 1 times 4 equals to 4, 40 seconds. Betul. 7 times 4 apa? 20, 28. So the answer should be 28 minutes, 40 seconds. Dah, settle. Okay, yang ni, semua ni, do by your own. Later. Okay, later. I'm going to start. I'm going to continue the other topics. Okay, thanks. Okay, stop dulu. Okay, stop dulu. Anything you do, stop dulu. Later you will do this by your own. For your homework, tomorrow homework to do. Tomorrow homework juga. Tomorrow kan cuti. Okay, alright, thanks. Okay, second topic which is division of time. Okay, kita masuk cepat-cepat sikit. 11 dah. Okay. Nanti kalau sempat kita bincang balik kalau sempat kita bincang balik. Kita discuss balik multiplication topik tadi. Okay. Apa ni? Oh, salah, tak padam. Okay, sorry. Alright. Question number 1. How long does Daniel ride his bike in a week? Macam tadi, tapi yang ni lagi simple je. In a week. In a week dia ada 28 hours. Baca, tengok. I ride my bike for 28 hours in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Dia nak 2 weeks. So dalam 2 weeks tu dia tak perlu darabkan dengan 7 14 days ke apa, tak payah. Sebab dalam dia bagi tahu 2 weeks ni dia nak jawapan in a week. Bukan dalam day. So you have to make sure baca elok-elok. Dia nak in a week. Tengok sini. Okay, soalan dia bagi in a week. Dia bagi 2 weeks. So 2 weeks bahagi 2 lah kan. So 28 hours bahagi 2. Divide by 2. So 28 hours divide by 2. You just do simple long division macam ni. Kalau tak ingat buat balik. 28 divide by 2. Okay. So start dengan 2. 2 bring down 2. Ingat. Kalau tak ingat division ni. This one is very helping. Okay. Buatlah macam ni. Kalau tak ingat. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This one will help you in your calculation. Okay, so tengok sini. 2, nak divide dengan 2. Ada tak 2? Tengok kat sini. 2 ada tak 2? Ada. So 2, bring down 2. Di sini apa? 1. So bring up 1. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Buat dot. Nak buat 0 pun boleh, nak buat dot pun boleh. So bring down 8. So 8 bring down, cari 8 pula. Ada tak 8? Ada. Okay, so 8 tu tulis 8. Dia nombor apa? Nombor 4. So letak 4 as your answer. Okay, so your answer should be 14. 14 hours sahaja. That's all. Okay. Kalau boleh, for those who are very very weak in very in your multiplication table, buatlah macam ni nanti kamu lupa, kamu tak tahu, you don't know how to get the numbers, all the numbers, boleh refer to the table ni. Okay, thanks. Alright, second question. 128 minit. Sekejap, cikgu rasa macam ada orang on microphone lah. Ada ke yang on microphone? Yusuf. Bukan Yusuf. Yusuf ke? Why I can't unmute my... Oh, maybe because I came up late. Yusuf? Yusuf? Ada Yusuf? Sulaiman ke? Sulaiman? Can you turn off your microphone? Ada buzzing sound lah. Ada ke Sulaiman? Are you there, Sulaiman?
Yes, I'm
all
there.
of us is all of us have our mic off.
Okay. Okay, now dah tak ada lah. Alright, thank you. Alright, so question number 2. 128 minutes divided by 8. Yang ni simple je lah. Dia nak minutes and the answer should be in minutes too. So no need to convert. Actually dalam standard 3 ni tak ada conversion of unit pun dalam calculation dia. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, so you just stick with the minutes. Alright, so 128 minit. Yang ni nak recheck kan, ini recheck. Okay, 128 minit kita buat calculation barulah. Okay, 128 divide by 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, silap. Sini 8 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then start with your multiple of 8, 8, 16, berapa? 24, 32, 4. Ini susah betul tu dia. Alright, so then what should you do? Okay, start from the number 1 kan. Number 1 tak ada. 1 tak ada. The nearest number is 0. So what 0, 0, tulis 0. Okay, tulis 1. So bring down 2. Okay, and 12. You have 12 here? No, you don't have 12. The nearest what's that? Dia nak ni lah. Okay, the nearest number is 8. So you take 8. Okay, 8 which is the first one. Okay, 12 minus 8 equals to 4. So you bring down 48. 48 pula bring down 8. So your answer should be, sini tak ada kan 40 kan. So you continue lah satu lagi. 5 35, 6. 6 is 48. Sini 40 kan. So 6 is 48. So sini 6. Okay, yes. Ada anak.
Karina raised her hand.
Okay, Karina, anything you want to ask?
I'm still very confused in division.
Oh, you're really confused. Okay.
I'm not.
If you still confused in division, so you should be concentrate. Okay, concentrate on your screen right now. Okay, later I will explain. Okay, if you don't really understand, I will explain later. Okay, so this one kita boleh tengok. Okay, first, okay, Karina listen. Okay, I will explain one by one. All right. Okay. In division, you have, this is the standard written method or long division for your calculation. Division, we use this kind of method for calculation. Okay, understand? All right, then the first one, kalau sini, if you see in your textbook dalam contoh tu, example, Dia bagi, dia skip 1 tu, dia tak tolak 1 tu, dia tengok 12 terus. Okay, this one also you can do. Okay, you can also skip. Tapi cikgu takut in order to skip, you miss number. Maybe 1 ni divisible, tapi kamu miss. So what one by one lah. Okay, first step kamu buat dulu 1 tu, kamu tengok dekat multiple table tu, times table tu. Times table sengit-sengit dah cikgu buat. Lambat sangat lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ingat Karina, you learn this before. 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, kita buat sampai berapa? Kita buat sampai 5 dulu. We do only 5 numbers dulu. Okay, kalau tak cukup baru kita tambah one by one. Okay, lepas tu buat sifil 8 tau. 8. Lepas 8 apa? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you add one by one lah kalau tak ingat. Kalau ingat, you just continue. Okay, continue. 40. Okay. Alright, sampai situ dah. Then tadi kamu dah dapatkan 1 tu, kamu tengok sini 1. Kalau tengok method yang cikgu ajar tadi, cikgu kata jangan skip. Kalau buku dia suruh skip. If you refer to your book, the book ask you to skip and then just take 12. Cikgu takut nanti kalau kamu skip, if you skip this, you will put 1 here. Cikgu takut sini kamu letak. So suppose ni 0 kan. Okay, how to do? Okay, take 1 dulu. Okay, 1 ada tak sini? Tengok dekat on your right section right side, kamu tengok sini tak ada 1 kan? So the nearest number in between 1 dengan in between 8 tu 0 dengan 8 tu ada 1 dekat in between tu. So 1 tu should be taken. Okay, kamu perlu you have to take the nearest smaller number which is 0 lah. 0. So you put 0 here. 0. Okay, minus 0 equals to 1. Bukan sini. Sinilah maksudnya nanti. Aduh, susah betul kena buat baru ni. Okay, Karina kena tengok betul-betul ni. Okay, minit Okay, 12. Cikgu suruh skip, jangan skip. So you put 0. Kenapa 0? Sebab 1 tu in between 0 dengan 8. So 1 minus 0 equals to 1. 0 tu kenapa kita ambil sini? 0 tu apa yang atas tu? Okay, 0 tu on the left side, you take this number, you put on top as your answer. So 0 tu letak dulu. Okay, play safe dulu. Kita letak dulu number yang selamatkan dulu untuk place value kita ni. Okay, so 12 tu kita masukkan, cari pula 12. Can you find 12 here? No, you don't have 12 on the right side kan? Tak ada. So 12 tu is sitting in between 8 dengan 16. Dia ada kat sini. So you have to take the smaller number, nearest smaller number. Smaller number lah 8. Ambil yang atas lah, ambil yang atas. So 8 tu kat bawah, 8 dekat bawah. Okay, so you put 1. Tengok 1 dekat sini on the right tu adalah jawapan. Ni jawapan answer. Telefon pening dah. Okay, so 12 minus 8 equals to berapa? 4. Okay, takkan tak tahu kan 12 minus 8 tu. Alright, then ni 0, 0, 1. Okay, so you have another number which is 8. Bukan minit 8. So you bring down 8. You will have 48. Okay, supposedly you have only 40 here, but you can add another number which is 6. 6 tambah lagi 40 plus 8 equals to 48. Now you can have 48 here now. You can find 48 here. So 48 tu dekat number 6. So number 6 you bring up. Minus. There you will get. Minit tu di atas. 16. 0 ni tak payah ambil lah. Okay, 0 tu bukan numbers. Tak ada value sebab dia in front. Kalau belakang baru ada value. So your answer should be 16 minutes. Okay, Karina, if you still not very clear with this, okay, make sure to practice. Practice. Do some practice. Buat tengok balik yang previous chapter. Kalau boleh. Kalau tak cukup, you go and ask your mom to buy one book for you. Buat latihan. Every day you have to do mathematics. So you will get improvement. Okay, question number 3, 364 second. 364 second divide by 7. Okay, kalau tengok macam ni, kamu boleh tengok dia skip lagi. Okay, dia skip lagi. Okay, I will try to explain this easier way lah. Kita tengok. So 364 second divide by 7. Okay, second tu tulis atas siap-siap takut lupa. Alright, so multiple of 7. Okay, kita buat multiple of 7. Multiple of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. Okay, this is multiple of 7 punya ni lah. Okay, so start from number 3. Okay, can you find number 3 here? On your right side ni tak ada number 3 kan? So number 3 tak ada. The number 3 is sitting in between 0 and 7. So you have to take 0. Bring down 0. Atas pun kena 0 atas, 0 bawah, atas pun 0. So 3 tolak je. Okay, so 6. 36. Can you find 36? Tak ada. The smallest nearer number is 35. So buat 35. Okay, number apa? Number 5. Alright. So turunkan 4 pula. 14. Yeah, you will have 14 here. 14 is in between pula. Is the second answer. So bring down 14, letak 2 dekat atas, minus. Okay, you will have 52. 0 ni tak payah ambil. So you will have 52 as your answer. Okay, senang je. Number 4. Okay, yang ni careful careful. Yang ni must be careful with the calculation sebab dia ada 2 units, hour and minutes. Okay, this kind of method kalau darab bahagi ni mungkin in multiplication okey lah sebab dia dalam apa calculation dia dia simple, straightforward je kan. Kalau macam ni kamu kena tengok one by one. Actually careful, be careful with the number. Alright, so 5 hours 45 minutes divided by 5. Okay, ini cikgu tunjuk dalam ni lah. Okay, for example number 5 number 4 okay, dia pun merah juga. Okay, tak apalah. 5 hours 45 minutes. 5 hours 45 minutes divide by 5 kan? Okay, divide by 5. Alright, so your answer should be in hours and minute too. Okay, alright, thanks. So batuk dalam mic. Okay, okay, ready Alright, this is your kind of calculation lah. Panjang. Tak tahu panjang mana, cuba dulu. 5 hours 45 minutes divide by 5. Okay, clear macam ni, simple je. Awal-awal macam ni simple lah. Then what should you do? Kalau tak ingat sifir 5, buatlah sifir 5. Saya ingat sekali cikgu buat. Okay, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0. Start dengan 0 0 mesti ada atas sekali. Okay, kalau cikgu lain tak ajar buat 0, cikgu yang ajar 0. Buat 0. Mesti mula daripada 0. Okay, nanti tak ada masalah dah lepas ni. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Alright, then tengok dulu. Yang first kali number dia 5. There you can find 5 here, which is 5 bring down, 1 bring up. Ingat, on your right side tu bring down, on your left side bring up. So minus. There you will have hours here. Jangan lupa unit, jangan lupa. Alright. Simple je. Okay, yang ni dah habis. Continue pula. Okay, dah habis ni. Once you get answer for hours, settle. Yang dah settle. Okay. Leave the hours unit. Okay, kita continue on minute pula. Jangan tulis bawah dah. Tak payah bring down dah. Okay, start terus. Okay, start terus. On the right side tu. Terus calculation tu buat macam 2 calculation yang berbeza lah. Tapi in one. At once. Okay, so 45. Tengok pula 4. Okay, ada tak 4 here? Tak ada. It's sitting in between 0 and 5. So 4 tu dekat sini 4 dekat sini. So you put 0 lah. Bring down 0, bring up 0. So you dapat 4. So bring down 5. Okay. So you have 45. Okay, 45. Tak cukup kan? 45 tak cukup. Kita cari 45. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 30, 35, 40, 45. Kita tarik. So 45 is in Allah. Yeah. Okay, 45 is at the 9th number. Okay, so 45 bring down, 9 bring up. Your answer should be 45 minus 45 is actually 0. So your answer should be 1 hour. 1 hour bukan 1 hours, 9 minutes. Okay, that should be your answer. Macam itulah calculation dia. Karina boleh faham ke Karina? Hello Karina.
Yes.
Yeah, are you clear with the calculation?
Yeah.
My explanation. Okay, make sure to practice lah.
Okay.
Thank you Karina. Okay, it's not for Karina only. For those yang maybe takut malu ke nak cakap, nak cerita cikgu kata mungkin tak ingat ke, jangan malu, jangan risau. Okay, it's nothing to be embarrassed. Tak perlu nak malu-malu, nothing to be shame. Okay. Nothing to be shy about. Okay, calculate the time. Okay, dah habis. Okay, yang ni 1 hour and 9 minutes dah settle. So Puan Alia does gardening for 1 hour and 9 minutes every day. Okay, yang ni settle. Kita tengok next page. Okay, 56 minute 32 second divide by 4. Yang ni nak kena buat juga lah kot. Okay, kita tengok terus lah. Kita buat 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Okay. Mana. Okay, kita start dengan sini dulu. Okay, yang lain tengok dulu dalam buku ni. Okay, boleh tengok sini. We can refer to here. Okay, yang lain tengok, yang ni skip dulu. Tengok the number, the first number which is 5. Okay, 5. Okay, 5 5. Okay, 5. Can you find 5 here? No, you don't have 5 here. So, you should see that 5 is sitting in between 4 and 8. So, you have to take 4. So, 4 bring down 4, bring up 1. So, minus. You will have 5 minus 4 equals to 1. So, you bring down 6. Okay, sampai sini dah. Okay, 16. Okay, sampai 16. You have to find 16. There you can find 16, which is on the fourth answer, which is 16. Bring down 16. 4 bring up. So you will have 0 as the answer. 0 plus 0 tu minus lah, minus. Okay. So you have 14 minutes as your answer. Okay, settled in minutes part. So move to a second part. Second part, seconds part. Okay, yang ni seconds part. Okay, yang dah settle lah. Okay, tengok sini pula. 3. Nak skip boleh, tak nak skip pun boleh. Kalau 3, kita ada 3. So, you letak 0. Okay. So, letak 0, tolak 0 jadi 3. Okay. 3 turunkan 2 jadi 2. So, 32. Ada tak 32? Kita tak ada 32. We don't have 32 yet. Bukan tak ada don't have yet. So, you have to find 5, 6, 7, 20. 24, 28, 32. Yang ke 8. Okay, 30 tak nampak. Okay, sinilah cikgu tulis 8 tu. 32. Okay, so your 32 is in between pula. Is at the 8th answer. So bring down 32 here. Then bring up 8. So your answer should be 0. And 8 should be your final answer, which is 14 minutes and 8 seconds. That's all. Okay. Dah. Yang ni kita buat apa dah? Tak habis masa dah. Okay. So division. Let's try. Okay. On page berapa tak tahu? Berapa? Sulaiman? Page berapa ni? 40?
Divide.
43?
43.
44. No, wait.
44. Okay, page 44
Oh wait, page 43. Sorry.
43 pula. Okay, 43. Okay, do this too in your M1. Okay, kalau tak ada M2. Tak ada, kertas kosong lah, blank page. Blank paper. Okay, anything lah. Alright, so the first number, kita ambil 1008 divide by 9. Okay, kita buat sini dulu. Division memang panjang. Division normal lah. Okay, 108 hours divide by 9. Okay, CP 9. Okay, CP 9. 9, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 9, 18, 27, 30. Susah tu, gue nak tulis. 36, sorry 45. Okay. Alright, then move. 9. The first number is 1. So don't have 1 kan? 1, 2 in between 0 and 9. So we'll put 0, 0. Okay, 1. Bring down 10 and bring down 0. You get 10. So you can find 10 is in between 9 and 18. Sorry. 9 and 18. So 9 and 18 you take 9. Because smaller number. So you put 9 here. You bring up 1 minus 1 minus 9 equals to 10 minus 9 equals to 1. So bring down 8. Okay, Karina, make sure to stay focus. Focus. Okay, yang lain pun sama. Focus. Okay, 18. Then you can find 18. Find 18 here. So you find 18 on the second number.
I'm focusing.
Thank you, Karina. 18. Okay, tengok 18 tu yang berapa? Number 2. So letak 2. Okay, then 18 minus 18 equals to 0. So your answer should be 12 hours.
Must we do all the way until H?
Of course.
Okay.
All until H.
Okay.
Okay, you have until what? What day? Friday lah. Esok cuti. So Friday. Until Friday you have cuti.
Okay.
For math. Okay.
Tomorrow,
Oh my word.
holiday
Oh,
until
holiday.
Friday.
No. Tomorrow. I
Just
said
tomorrow
math.
holiday.
So for math class tak ada. Okay. So for math class you don't have math until Friday kan. So you have another 3 days for you to do this. Okay. Thank you for asking. Okay, I'm gonna take C. C. Tak nak lah C.
Wait, how many?
Cuti. Holiday. 1 day only.
Okay.
Tomorrow only. Okay. Okay. Question D. 24 hours 57.
Page 43.
Yes, page 43. Question D. Panjang. 24 hours. 24 hours and 57 minutes. 50.
Do you do for
Apa dia? Hours. Anything you want to ask? Harap. Okay, this one is for D. Okay, this is for D. Yang lain boleh buat. Cuma cikgu nak explain this. Two kind of calculation lah. Nanti kamu buat sendiri ya. Alright. So question number D pula. Question D. Ada yang tanya ke? Anyone? Yes, Yusof. Kenapa Yusof?
we do 41 and 43?
Yes. For multiplication and for division. You have to do both. Clear? Thank you, Sulaiman, for asking. Alright. Okay. You have another 6 minutes before 11:30. Okay. This one. Sangat senang. Question D. Dia nak division. Multiple of 3 only. Multiple of 3. So buatlah multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Listen. Tengok. Start dengan 0, 0. Okay. Start from 0, 0. And then you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then tambahlah one by one ataupun buat ingat kalau ingat 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, clear? Alright. So 24, ambil number 1 dulu. Number 1 pula. The first number. Okay, question pula number 2. Okay, 2 ni. Okay, find 2. You cannot find 2 here, betul? Okay, so you don't have 2. 2 is in between 0 and 3, so you have to take 0. So take 0, 0 bring down, 0 bring up, minus dapatnya 0, bring down 4, 24. Can you find 24 here? Tak ada. So you have to continue. Find 6, 7. Okay. 16 pula 18, 21. 8, 24. Murah. Okay. So 24, you have 24 here. Sekejap, cikgu tulis dulu 24, takut lupa. Okay, 24, bukan takut lupa, takut kamu tak nampak. Okay, 24 you can get from here. Kalau kamu continue sampai number 8, you can get 24. Okay, make sure. Okay, so 24 tu yang number 8. Okay, minus. So 24 minus 24, okay, jadi 0. 0 tu boleh buat jadi dot pun tak apa, it's okay. Alright, settle with this hours. Okay, move to minute pula, minutes. Okay, first kita tengok untuk minit, the first number is 5. So you go find 5. Can you find 5? No, you don't have 5. But 5 is between 3 and 6. So you go and take 3 and 1. 3, you bring down 3, you put down, put up 1. So 5 minus 3 equals to 2. Bring down 7. Okay, you have 27. 27. As you can see, you have only 24. So you continue another number, number 9. Number 9 is 27. 24 plus 3 is 27. So you will have 27 here. Bring up 9. Okay, then minus. Okay, then your answer should be 8 hours and 18 minutes for D. Okay, so this one should be mana? D. Ada jawapan tak ada. You need to write down here. Jangan conteng buku. Make sure to write down your answer in your M1 or your M2. Okay. Last, pilih question H lah. Question H. Question H divide by 2. Mudah. Ambil G lah, G. Okay, I'm gonna take G. Okay, I'm going to choose G. Okay, G apa dia tanya? Mana G? Okay, 210 minutes divide by 7. Senangnya. 210 hours ke minit tadi? Minit. Tak nak. Yang ni simple. Alah, yang ni senang sangat. Tak nak lah G. Ambil H lah. Sorry. Sebab G senang. Very easy.
You want to give us hard?
I will explain to you the hard one. So you do the easier part by your own. Okay. Understand? So I do H for you. Okay. Maybe H is harder than G. Okay. So 38 hours 54 minutes. 38 hours 34 minutes divide by 2 equals to berapa tak tahu. Later. Okay. 38. Hurry up. 54. Okay. So. Okay. Cepat. Masa nak habis dah ni. Nanti tak sempat pula. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Take 3. You can find 3 in between 2 and 4. So 3 is sitting here. So you take 2 lah. Okay. Bring down 2. Bring up 1. Minus jadi 1. 18. So you don't have 18. 18 actually sampai 9 lah. Nak tulis juga lah kot. 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18. So until 9, 18 tu yang ke-9. Okay, 9. Okay, so hours jangan lupa. My writing pun dah jadi bad, terrible. Okay. Okay, 18 minus 18 equals to 0. Jangan lupa, jangan tak tahu pula. Kenapa jadi dot tu? Dot tu replacement of 0. Right, I like to write it as a dot. Kalau 0 nanti nampak tak cantik. Okay, 5 and 4. 5 and 4. Cari 5 dulu. 5 dekat sini 4 dengan 6 tu. 5 dengan 4, so you take 4. So bring 4 down, bring up 2. Okay, 5 minus 4, 1. Bring down 4. Sini, 4 ada sini 40 pula. 14 ada sini 14 sini. 14 yang ke-7. So, letak 14. Number 7 tu letak atas. Jangan lupa minit. Jangan lupa tolak pula. Nanti tak dapat markah. So, settle. That's all. 19 hours and 27 minutes. 19 hours 27 minutes. Okay. Cun-cun lah. Habis. Okay. Until now, ada soalan? Ada dan Karina tadi, she mentioned that she don't really understand division. It's okay. Memang. Even though
Division is really hard.
not really hard, it's challenging. Bukan susah. It's not hard. You can do.
Right.
Okay?
Mathematics is my favorite subject, but
Yeah.
I suck at it.
Don't say suck. It's a bad word. Okay. It's not that you are terrible in division. That's not that. It's just that you don't really have a lot of practice in that. So you can't do that. Can't really do that.
I only know like times only.
What kind?
Like the I don't know how to say it.
The simple one lah. Maybe without the remainder. That one, right?
Yep.
The one that doesn't have remainder. Okay, yang tu simple. It's okay. No need to be worried. Because in time tak ada remainder. Tak ada remainder. Dalam division dan normal division tu lah ada yang whole number punya. Dalam ada unit ni tak ada. Okay. Okay, thank you Karina. Okay, ada lagi soalan? Amanda, do you have problem? Can you do? You cannot do.
I can do it just a little bit.
A little bit. Okay, thank you. So that's why you have to keep on practicing. I think this one is normal lah for everyone to not really good in division. Division, multiplication is standard lah, normal lah, ramai. Even cikgu pun sometimes buat salah kan. Macam tu lah, biasalah tu. Okay, normal. It's kind of normal for you to feel this topic a bit hard. Okay, as long as you do them continuously, do practice, a lot of practice, then you will be okay.
Bye.
Actually, dalam multiplication ni, the keyword is you have to make sure to memorize all the times table. That's all. If you do that, if you memorize all the times table, you will be a bit better lah. Ada chance for you to do this correctly, senang, easier, high lah. That's why you have to make sure to memorize all the times table. Kalau tak ingat, try to memorize one by one. Buat dulu. Memorize one, sifir 2, 3, 4 dulu, until 5, the easier one, and then you continue. Continue. Once you memorize all the sifir until 5, then you continue until 9. Until 12 ke, tak kisah. Okay. Apa lagi? Raisha, okay, Raisha. Raisha, okay, I think. Akila, okay.
Teacher,
Yes, Karina.
how do we like know timetable 1 to 12?
What? You 1 to 12? Don't have timetable for 1 to 12?
Nice.
From 1 to 11 already.
Or you memorize until 1 to 11?
Yeah.
Good.
1 to 12, not yet.
12 is easy lah. Very easy.
The only simple just 12 I know.
12 is
It's
easy.
not easy for me.
144.
Yes, until 24.
No. 144 is 12 times 12.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Cool. Yes. Lakshiva.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Every time when I do timetables, I have to use my fingers. Is there any tactic to remember?
Any method other
Yes.
than use finger? Actually ada. There's a lot of way. Tapi dia tak, it's not really applicable lah. Dia tak sangat. Other than use your finger, apa lagi ya? Memorize lah kan, memorize lah. You have to memorize. Okay, actually, if you keep on, okay, Lakshiva, listen. If you keep on, okay, Lakshiva, if you keep on using your fingers instead of memorizing them, you will keep on relying on your finger later. So try to memorize.
Memorize it.
Okay, memorize.
Okay, teacher.
Try to not use your finger.
How about we use calculator?
No, you cannot use
you must
calculator
memorize.
until secondary school.
Yeah, so a certain level you already have to use calculator because very hard, right?
Yes, the question really make you really. If you don't have calculator, you will have problems.
Yep.
That one is at your secondary school lah. Nanti secondary school baru kamu akan guna calculator.
Okay.
It's
So
okay.
you must buy calculator and then you take it to school.
No, it's specific calculator. It's a scientific calculator. They call it a scientific calculator. You have to use that. For fraction, you can add fraction on by using that calculator. You can add fraction.
I think calculator is cheating.
All the calculator is
No, in the higher levels it's gonna be harder for you to
Yes.
understand.
Betul?
But if you're doing it in the lower levels like now, that
Now
would
you
be
don't.
like cheating.
Yes, because you have to make sure your calculation too. You have to show your calculation. All the calculation must be shown. So you have to make sure you do the calculation correctly. That's why we need you to do all the calculation like the standard written method, long division. That's all. Tanya, anything you want to ask? No.
Is there no BM class?
Yes, no BM class.
No,
The BM class.
contracted.
Really?
Again, Vanessa?
Teacher, how's teacher Rohaya?
Oh, where's teacher Rohaya? She's still
COVID.
she's still
Can we
in
leave?
recovery.
Can I leave?
Yes, you can leave. Thank you, Yusuf Mikael.
Bye.
If you
Okay,
have
bye-bye.
day, tomorrow don't have class.
Cikgu,
Okay.
BM class ada ke?
BM class, no. BM class you have offline work, offline homework.
She still has
Ensure to do the mathematics homework.
she still has to finish.
Okay. Shanas ada.
Teacher, when do we have to submit the work?
Oh, that one. Nanti kita bagi link.
Okay.
Oh, Google Classroom. Shanas, what are you doing? Oh, Zulaika tak ada today. Zulaika tak ada.
Okay, teacher, thank you. Bye.
Nafis. Okay, thank you. Bye. Happy holiday. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Being recorded. I thought I stopped recording.